Hey guys, it's Russia and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back at you with another Curlbox unboxing, and this month we got the AfroSheen line. Now if you guys are not familiar with AfroSheen, they became popular back in the 60s for their Afro Shine spray, and they have since relaunched in 2020 with a whole bunch of new products. So I'm going to share with you all the products we got in this month's box, so let's get right into it. So I did try two of the products on my hair already. My hair is about, I want to say 2 or 3 days old from my wash day, but I think it's still looking pretty good and it's really big and voluminous. So I'm going to share with you guys my thoughts on some of the products. So the first product that we got from the line was the Velvet Flow 4-in-1 leave-in. It's supposed to detangle and refresh your curls. This is also supposed to act as like a heat protectant, which is really nice for those who love to blow dry their hair. I use this sort of like a leave-in conditioner slash like primer before I put in any styling products, and I can say that I really did like the way this felt on my hair. Now personally for me, I know my hair is super dry. I cannot just put this in my hair and go. That would honestly just be like so unrealistic. But I think to prep your hair for like maybe even a heavier leave-in conditioner or a styling product, I think this is great. I do want a preference before I go into any of the other products as well. This hair care line does not have a very feminine smell. Now I know a lot of natural hair product lines and brands tend to steer more towards a feminine smell, like florals, coconut, shea butter, cocoa butter. Like you just feel like the smell is very warm and inviting and feminine. Now for the AfroSheen line, I would definitely say that the smell of the products are definitely more on the masculine, cool side. So if you don't like products with scents like that, I would definitely not recommend this product line for you, because your hair is going to smell like a men's cologne, if that makes any sense. Now for one of the styling products in this line, and the one that I actually use, this one is the Crown Defining Curl Cream. Now I really did love this product when I put it in my hair. I think that it's a really nice consistency. It's not super thick, but it's not really thin either. So it kind of gives you that perfect balance of a curling cream that you can really put into your hair. You don't have to put too much, and when I did put this product in my hair, I felt like I was getting some definition, I was getting some shine, but when my hair dried, I felt like the definition wasn't really there. Like my curls naturally have pretty good definition just on their own with like any products that I really use, but I feel like I wasn't getting that hold that usually, you know, some other styling products give me or a gel would give me. It's not really weighing my hair down, and while I don't like my hair weighed down, I do feel like this is a very light styling product in a sense that you're not gonna get that hold. You're gonna get maybe some definition, but you're not gonna get the definition that you would in some other styling products or even using a gel. Because personally for me, I'm going on like day 3 of wash day, like 3 days after my wash day, and I'm not seeing tremendous definition with using this product. But I think this product is great for someone who's looking for a fast wash and go. Put in the leave-in, put in this curling cream and go. I think that it makes your hair look nice. But personally for me, I love a little bit more hold, a little bit more definition, a little bit more shine, and I don't think that these products were really giving that to me. So the next product that we got in the box was the Blowout spray. This is supposed to protect your hair and control frizz when you blow dry your hair. Now I'm really glad that we got this product in the box. Now personally for me, I am not a huge like blow dryer person. I don't normally blow dry my hair out or anything like that, but I think the past 2 boxes we've been getting a lot of shampoos, conditioners, leave-ins, hair oils, so I'm glad to see that there's a little bit more of diversification in the products that you do get. While this product is something that I'm probably not going to use all the time, it's always great to have a blow dry spray in your arsenal of hair products, because you never know when you're going to want to do a blow dried hairstyle. So I'm glad that we got this, and this is really great for people who do blow dry their hair regularly. So next we got their famous Shine Spray. Now I'm not sure if this is the exact formula of what the AfroSheen famous Shine Spray looked like back in the 60s, but this is the Glow Up Shine Spray, and it's supposed to add a finish and shine to your hair. Now it says this is perfect for anyone that's wearing their hair in a fro, if you're wearing your hair blowed out, maybe you have twists, maybe you have braids. So once again, another great product that I don't think that I'm going to be using a lot, being that I'm not a big person on changing up my hairstyle. I've never had twists, I've never had braids. I'm I'm just not that person. I just like to wear my hair like the way it is. But if I end up eventually getting some of these styles, I definitely will make sure to keep this so that I can try this out, I can use it, and maybe, you never know, I may really end up liking it. But I may actually end up trying this on my hair just like the way it is, because I really always love for my hair to look shiny and healthy, and I think a shine spray definitely gives that illusion even if your hair is super dry. And the last product that we got in this box was the Lush Fro Butter. Now this is supposed to nourish and hydrate your hair. Once again, for people who are wearing their hair just natural, maybe your hair is braided, maybe your hair is in twists. They also say this Fro Butter is great for beards, so if you have a husband, a boyfriend, a brother, whoever, a dad, I would say check this out. I like the way this smells. This definitely does not smell like the rest of the product line, but I think this would be a great product for someone who's looking to really help soften their hair and strengthen their hair, especially guys with beards, or even if your hair is just like always blown out, but you want something that's gonna keep your hair soft, gonna keep it manageable. I also feel like this could kind of be an interesting product to try maybe if you're gonna straighten your hair. Once your hair is fully blown out, put a little bit of this in it to help soften it. You never know. So I think this is a super cool product, and I definitely am gonna say that a lot of the products that I got in this month's box are things that I'm most likely not going to be able to use in my regular hair care routine, but I think they are products that are really important to have in your hair care arsenal, being that you never know what type of style you're gonna wanna do, you never know when you're gonna need a certain product, and I think that all of these are great natural hair products. And while I do wish that we got some shampoo, some conditioner, some heavier leave-in conditioner, I think that it's great that Curlbox is recognizing that they did 2 boxes with shampoos, leave-ins, and oils, and now they're gonna change it up and appeal more to someone who doesn't really need all that shampoo, all that conditioner, and really needs those styling products for the different hairstyles that they do. So if you guys need any more convincing on why you need Curlbox, because I'm still keeping my subscription, make sure to check out my July and my August Curlbox video that will be linked down below, as well as in the cards, as well as in my hair care playlist. Make sure to like this video if you guys enjoyed it, and comment down below maybe any products that you guys have been liking recently, or if you guys got the September Curlbox, did you like it? Did you not? Do you think you're gonna use these products? Make sure to subscribe to see me here every Wednesday and Sunday. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.